The DP Alt-Mode Not Supported error appears on ASUS portable monitors like the MB16AC or ZenScreen series when attempting to connect via USB-C. This message indicates that your laptop, phone, or cable is not properly transmitting video signals through the connection. DisplayPort Alternate Mode, or DP Alt-Mode, is the technology that enables video transmission over a single USB-C cable. This eliminates the need for separate HDMI or DisplayPort connections, allowing for up to 4K video output at 60 Hz. However, DP Alt-Mode requires specific hardware support on both your source device and the USB-C cable. The cable must be capable of carrying DisplayPort signals, and your device must support the protocol. Without this compatibility, the error occurs. In the following sections, we'll guide you through checking cable compatibility, verifying device support, and applying firmware updates to resolve this common USB-C connectivity issue. The most common cause of the DP Alt-Mode Not Supported error is an incompatible USB-C cable. Let's check what makes a cable compatible. USB-C cables must support DisplayPort Alternate Mode or DP Alt-Mode to transmit video signals. This chart shows different USB standards and their capabilities. Look for cables labeled as DP Alt-Mode Capable or E-marked. These designations ensure the cable has the necessary electronics for video transmission. E-marked cables, like this one, include intelligent chips that handle the DP Alt-Mode protocol, providing reliable video output. Passive cables, which lack active electronics, cannot support DP Alt-Mode. They work for data and charging, but fail for video. A standard USB-C cable like this might work for charging or data, but without DP Alt-Mode support, it will trigger the error when used for video. ASUS recommends using their proprietary cables or third-party options certified by VESA for DP Alt-Mode compatibility. A proper cable like this USB-C to DisplayPort adapter ensures compatibility and can handle high-resolution video output. Switching to a compatible cable frequently resolves the DP Alt-Mode Not Supported error right away. The third step is to verify that your source device supports DisplayPort Alternate Mode. Your laptop, phone, or tablet must have this capability for direct USB-C video connections to work. Not all USB-C ports are created equal. While the connector looks the same, the underlying support for video transmission varies. Check your device's specifications or user manual for DisplayPort Alt-Mode compatibility. DisplayPort Alternate Mode allows video signals to travel through the USB-C cable alongside power and data. This diagram shows how the cable carries separate lines for USB data, power delivery, and DisplayPort audio-video signals. Some devices, particularly older laptops, Chromebooks, and Android phones, lack full DP Alt-Mode support. In these cases, a direct USB-C connection to your ASUS monitor simply won't work. You may need adapters or different connection methods. Outdated firmware on ASUS monitors can cause DP Alt-Mode compatibility issues. Check the ASUS support website for your specific monitor model, such as the MB16AC. Download and install the latest firmware version available for your model. For example, version 2.14 significantly improved DP Alt-Mode compatibility for the MB16AC. Follow ASUS's instructions carefully during the update process to ensure success. When troubleshooting ports and connections for the DP Alt-Mode error, start by trying different USB-C ports on your source device. Not all ports support DisplayPort Alt-Mode equally. Some ports may have full DP Alt-Mode support, while others are limited. Switch ports to find one that works with your ASUS monitor. Next, ensure the cable is securely connected to both the monitor and your device. A loose connection can trigger the error by disrupting the signal handshake. Finally, restart both your monitor and source device. This power cycle can reset the USB-C connection protocols and resolve temporary glitches. When direct USB-C connection fails due to DP Alt-Mode not being supported, use a USB-C to HDMI or DisplayPort adapter as a reliable workaround. This adapter bypasses DP Alt-Mode by using standard HDMI or DisplayPort connections instead of relying on the USB-C protocol for video transmission. First, connect your monitor to the adapter using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Then plug the adapter into your device's USB-C port. While this setup is less portable than a single USB-C cable, it provides a dependable solution that works with most devices and avoids compatibility issues. These adapters support standard video resolutions and are widely available for both HDMI and DisplayPort connections. Drivers are rarely the primary cause of DP Alt-Mode errors, but ensuring your device's graphics drivers are up to date can help resolve underlying issues. For Windows, check Device Manager for driver errors. Look for entries like unknown device or exclamation marks indicating issues. Update graphics drivers through Device Manager's Update Driver option, or by downloading the latest version from your graphics card manufacturer's website. For macOS, use System Information to check hardware status and ensure no driver conflicts. Update graphics drivers through macOS Software Update, or manually download updates from your hardware manufacturer's support site. To wrap up, remember these key troubleshooting steps. Always check your USB-C cable for DP Alt-Mode compatibility. Verify that your source device supports DisplayPort Alt-Mode. Keep your ASUS monitor firmware updated, and consider using adapters if direct connections fail. Looking ahead, USB 4 will standardize USB-C protocols, significantly reducing these compatibility issues. For now, prioritize cables and adapters certified by Visa to ensure reliable performance. ASUS forums and Reddit communities provide valuable support and additional troubleshooting tips from other users.